Hey guys, so Anurag this side, and I'm a professional makeup artist and a digital content creator as well. So today I am doing the full face challenge with one brand, and the brand which I'm going to use today is my favorite Colorbar. So yes, so I'll be doing a full face using only Colorbar products, and I'm going to turn from this to this.
It's
So guys, the first step will be skincare. So I got couple of products over here from Colorbar. So I'll start with the favorite product from the brand. So this is their Cellular Dry Oil. So I got like a combination skin and my C-zone is already dry. So I'm going to start with this one right now. But the glow looks amazing with the oil. So the second product in the skincare, I'll be using the Hydra White Under Eye Cream. I've been using this since very long, and I do use this on my client as well. So this works really well. The next product will be Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. So I do have some pores on my T-zone. So this gives a nice blurry effect as well. And now finally it's time for coverage. So I'm going to use their 24-hour weightless liquid foundation, and I'm just gonna take a few pumps of it, just like that. Now with the buffing brush, I'm just gonna start applying the product in small parts. So now my foundation is done, and I'm going to use their Flawless Full Cover Concealer. Just a little bit around this redness. A little bit over here. Yeah, that's it. Now I'll blend it with the beauty blender. So now base is done. I'm happy with the coverage, and I just want to reduce a little bit of the shine. So I'm going to use their Sheer Touch Mattifying Loose Powder. This one, this works really well, and this blurred all the pores that I have. I'm just going to take a very little bit amount of it on my pan, and I'm going to dab it under my eye, forehead, and sides of the nose. So now my base is set, and now I feel like I need to add a little bit more color on my face. So I'm going to use their Glow Crazy palette in the shade Stunner, and I'm going to use this beautiful pink coral sort of a shade as my blush. So now I need to add a little bit of glow on my face. So I'll be using Glow Crazy palette in the shade Bombshell now, and they have a very nice this highlighter. So I'm going to use this one on my cheeks. So let's see. Stunning. So now we'll move on to the brows, and I'll be using their Browful Shaping and Define Kit, this one, and I'm going to use this gel over here with the brush comes with it. Now I'm using the powder which is on the other side of the brow kit with this angular brush. This brush is so good. This is so stiff, and this gives me the angle which I really want, and this gives me a lot of control as well on the product. So guys, guys, you can see the difference on both the sides. This looks so snatched. So I'm gonna transform this one as well now. So guys, you can see I've done with my eyebrows. So I've used the same concealer over my eyelids as well to prime them, and now I'm using the same loose powder to set my eye base. You can see this looks so smooth. My eyeshadow will glide on it like butter. I am definitely sure of that. So guys, now let's move to the eyeshadow, and for the eyeshadow I'll be using two eyeshadow palette. One is Bewitching eyeshadow palette, this one, and the other will be Party All Night eyeshadow palette, this one, right? So I am going to take this coral sort of a shade, and this will be my first transition color. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, and I am starting applying it on the outer side of the crease. So now I am good with this transition shade, and the second color I'll be using from the other palette, this brown shade, and this will go on the outer side of my eyes over here. I think I'm good with my brown as well, and the third shade that I'll be using, it's from again this palette, this light shade. This is like a very nice shimmery sort of a shade. So I'm just gonna take it on a flat application brush, and I'm just going to pack it. So now I'll be taking the same brown eyeshadow on an angular brush like that, and I'm gonna line my whole eyes with the shadow. So guys, you can see I have given this like a very cat eye sort of effect with the eyeshadow only. I haven't used any eyeliner, just that brown eyeshadow. So the next step will be, I feel like adding a little color, so I might add this blue shade under my lower lash line. So guys, I'm done with this eye. I just add a little bit kohl on my waterline, so I'll just do this eye off camera, and we'll move towards the lips and the other thing which I like. So guys, I've done my other eye as well, and I am living for this look. So now we'll go towards lashes. So we're gonna apply some mascara and some falsies as well. So I'm gonna start with the Colorbar lash curler. So I'm just gonna quickly curl my lash. And after that, I'll be using Colorbar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. I love this mascara because the USP of this product is this comes with two different wands. So first is this one. This is the lengthening one. So I'm just gonna apply it like this. You can see instantly it gives such a nice length to the lash. So after the mascara, I'm gonna use the Colorbar Pro Eyelashes, and this is the style that I'm going to use. It's quite wispy. This looks so good. So I'm just gonna quickly apply this off camera, and I'll get back to you. So guys, you can see I have applied the lashes, and now I'm gonna take the same mascara, and I'm just gonna blend my natural ones with the falsies. So guys, you can see we are almost done. The only thing which is left is the lip. So for the lips, I'll be using the Sinful Matte Lipstick, okay, and with the lip liner in the shade Stalker Girl. So I'll start with the lip liner, then we'll go ahead with the lipstick. So I'm done with the lip liner, and I'll be using the lipstick now, and I really want to take this moment. So this is in the shade Envious, and just look at the packaging. I'm obsessed with the packaging. So it opens like this, and voila! So this is the shade. I'm just gonna take it out, and I'm just gonna, so it's brand new. So this is the one. Look at the color, such a nice color it is. So I'm just gonna apply this quickly. I can't wait. So I just decided, just to make this one a little neutral, I'm gonna add one more shade from the Colorbar liquid range. This is called Push Up and this is in the Kiss Proof range. So I'm just gonna apply this on top of that. So guys, the last step is our setting spray. So I'm using Colorbar Stay the Day Finishing Mist and you're gonna just apply it quickly. So guys, this was my full face using Colorbar products, and I have added couple of rhinestone just to, you know, give that extra edge to my look, and I love rhinestone, so that is why I just added them. So I hope you like the tutorial and I hope you might learn something from this tutorial. So guys, please do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this look, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. It's